Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best cast iron skillets. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 cast iron skillets. Number 1. Lodge 10.25-inch Cast Iron Skillet. Looking for a pan that lasts generations and cooks like a pro? The Lodge 10.25-inch Cast Iron Skillet might just be the last skillet you ever need. What? It is. This is a heavy-duty cast iron skillet from Lodge, a brand trusted since 1896. It comes pre-seasoned and includes a red silicone handle for safe, easy gripping. What problem it solves? Tired of uneven cooking or flimsy non-stick pans that wear out? This skillet delivers even heating, sears like a dream, and only gets better with age. Top features: made in the USA and pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil, no chemicals or coatings. Versatile cooking: use it on gas, induction, in the oven, or even over a campfire. Includes a removable red silicone handle for added safety during high heat cooking. Pros. Incredible heat retention, virtually indestructible. Improves with use. Cons. Needs hand washing and oiling after use. Heavier than typical pans. Who it's best for? Perfect for home cooks, grill masters, campers, and anyone serious about cooking with quality tools. If you want one pan that does it all, this is it. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is more than a pan, it's a kitchen workhorse built to last a lifetime. Ready to level up your cooking? Check it out below. Number 2. Victoria 12-inch Cast Iron Skillet. Want a frying pan that can sear, simmer, and outlive every other pan in your kitchen? Meet the Victoria 12-inch Cast Iron Skillet. Tough, versatile, and built for serious cooking. What it is: this is a large, heavy-duty cast iron skillet, seasoned with 100% kosher certified non-GMO flaxseed oil. It's chemical-free and ready to cook right out of the box. What problem it solves? Flimsy pans that heat unevenly? No thanks. This skillet gives you consistent heat, superior retention, and natural non-stick performance that gets better over time. Top features. Extra deep cooking surface. Perfect for sauces or large meals. Dual pour spouts for drip-free serving. Signature curved handle and helper handle for safer two-handed control. Pros. Naturally non-stick with flaxseed oil seasoning. Works on all stovetops, ovens, grills, even campfires. Adds natural iron to your food. Cons. Needs careful maintenance, hand wash and oil after use. Heavier than typical cookware. Who it's best for? Great for home chefs, campers, and anyone who wants one pan that can do it all: fry, sear, bake, or saute with unbeatable durability. The Victoria Cast Iron Skillet isn't just cookware, it's a cooking companion for life. Want reliable, restaurant-quality results at home? This pan delivers. Check it out below. Number 3. Lodge 10.25-inch Cast Iron Skillet. If there's one skillet every home cook should own, it's this one. The Lodge 10.25-inch Cast Iron Skillet is the true American classic that never goes out of style. What it is: this is Lodge's iconic 10.25-inch cast iron skillet. Made in the USA for over 125 years, it comes pre-seasoned and ready to handle everything from searing steaks to baking cornbread. What problem it solves? Say goodbye to cheap pans that warp or lose heat. This skillet delivers even heating, holds heat like a champ, and can go from stovetop to oven to campfire with no fuss. Top features. Pre-seasoned with natural oil for a easy release surface, durable teardrop handle, and solid construction. Compatible with all heat sources: oven, grill, stovetop, even open flame. Pros. Heats evenly and retains heat like no other, built to last for generations. Non-toxic and chemical-free. Cons. Needs a little TLC, hand washing and oiling after use. Heavier than non-stick pans. Who it's best for? Perfect for beginners, pros, campers, and anyone serious about quality cookware. Whether you're flipping pancakes or grilling over a fire, this skillet's got your back. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is more than a pan, it's a piece of American cooking history. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check it out now, link below. Number 4. Lancaster Cast Iron Lightweight Cast Iron Skillet. Love cast iron but hate the weight? The Lancaster 10.5 Cast Iron Skillet delivers all the performance without breaking your wrist. What it is? This is a premium, American-made lightweight cast iron skillet from Lancaster Cast Iron. It's pre-seasoned oven safe and weighs just around 4 pounds. What problem it solves? Traditional cast iron is great but it's heavy. The Lancaster skillet gives you the same heat retention and durability with less bulk, making cooking and cleanup easier. Top features: precision-machined for a smooth, non-stick cooking surface, ergonomic handle and dual-pour spouts for easy control. Compatible with all heat sources: stove, oven, grill, or campfire. Pros: lightweight, yet durable. Quick heat response with classic heat retention. Made in the USA with heirloom craftsmanship. Cons: higher price point compared to heavier skillets, smaller cooking surface than some 12 inches pans. Who it's best for? Ideal for home cooks, campers, and vintage cookware lovers who want top-tier performance without the extra weight. Great for daily use or passing down for generations. The Lancaster skillet is a lightweight legend in the making, crafted for comfort, built to last. Want to cook smarter, not harder? Grab yours at the link below. Number 5. Staub 10-inch Cast Iron Fry Pan. Want flawless browning without sticking, and a pan elegant enough to serve at the table? The Staub 10-inch Cast Iron Fry Pan might just be your new kitchen favorite. What it is? This is a premium enameled cast iron fry pan made in France by Staub, known for professional-grade cookware that's as beautiful as it is functional. What problem it solves? Struggling with uneven heat or food that sticks? The black matte enamel interior promotes perfect browning and easy food release. No extra seasoning required. Top features: enamel-coated interior for rich caramelization without sticking. Low curved sides make flipping easy and precise. Oven safe and built for all cooktops. Gas induction, and more. Pros: heats evenly and holds temperature beautifully. No seasoning required. Gorgeous design goes from stovetop to tabletop. Cons: premium price tag, heavier than non-stick pans. Who it's best for? Ideal for home chefs, foodies, and anyone who wants restaurant-level performance with timeless French craftsmanship. It's perfect for daily meals or dinner parties. The Staub Cast Iron Fry Pan blends beauty, durability, and performance into one heirloom quality piece. Want pro-level results at home? Grab yours below. Here's a quick recap of the 5 cast iron skillets we reviewed. Lodge 10.25 skillet with silicone handle. A reliable, classic skillet with excellent heat retention and a heat-safe grip for added comfort. Victoria 12 inches skillet, deep and versatile, with dual spouts and natural flaxseed oil seasoning for healthier cooking. Lodge 10.25 classic skillet, teardrop handle, the iconic, no-frills American-made pan trusted by generations. Lancaster 10.5 lightweight skillet, easier to handle, beautifully machined, and still delivers solid cast iron performance. Staub 10 fry pan, elegant, enamel-coated, and perfect for gourmet browning. No seasoning required. Best overall, Lodge 10.25 classic skillet. It offers unbeatable value, time-tested durability, and universal versatility, all at an affordable price. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this skillet gets the job done. And then some. Check the description below for links to detailed information on each product. Don't forget to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.